everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 3rd to the 7th of August 2026 from on Monday. A familiar face returned to 10 Zetu's world upside down. Sydney struggled to come to terms with the betrayal that has shaken his family to its core. And just as the Ngqukana celebrates Azande's homecoming, an unexpected visitor arrives with unfinished business on Tuesday. What begins as a heartfelt celebration soon takes an alarming turn for Zethu. Lazarus and Zolega savor a rare moment of triumph while Sydney's family continue to unravel. And one joyful occasion ends with a frightening fight for life on Wednesday. Zethu's journey into motherhood takes a devastating and unexpected turn. Lwandle's painful truth leaves Sydney questioning everything he thought he knew. And as one family prays for a miracle, another is forced to take or to face the consequences of the past on Thursday. Relief washes over the Mabandla family, but one mother's battle has only just begun. Portia lays her heart on the line, hoping love can survive betrayal. And while new life brings hope, old wound refuse to heal on Friday. A newborn brings joy and ignites a painful family battle. Sydney humbles himself in a desperate attempt to make things right, and while heart begins to heal elsewhere, Zethu quietly slips further into darkness. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.